slid in a long time. I haven't did nothing too crazy in a long time, but that burnout the other day. So I'm about to try to do burnout. Dang, bro. Am I ass?
Cut the traction off. Make sure we don't spin out. Matter of fact, soon as we hit the corner, nigga, let me get out.
Get that traction off a little bit, or all the way. I'm good. I'm telling you. Look, this somebody called for these like the blue Chrysler. I put them over the other day.
Oh.
Cut the traction off. Make sure we don't spin out. Matter of fact, soon as we hit the corner, nigga, let me get out.
So look, I ain't gonna lie. To be honest with you, this is random last minute. It's raining outside, so I'm about to just go outside and try to do something that's crazy. I haven't slid in a long time. I haven't did nothing too crazy in a long time, but that burnout the other day. So I'm about to try to do a burnout or try to slide today. It's raining and the roads just got finished, so I'm about to try to see, you know what I'm saying, what I can do. You feel me? Because like I said, I'm a retired person. I don't do this no more, so I don't know. I'm just trying to try something out. You feel me? Try something new. So we're gonna go to the spot right now, which is in Mexico. We're in a safe environment. This is AI. Everything that's happening in this video is AI generated. This is not real. So don't think this is real, because none of this that we're doing right now is real, okay? It's all AI generated, and plus it's legally done by my stunt man, Michael Smith. But it's just like a background green screen, whatever. But now we're about to go to the spot right now, and then we're about to get right. You know, yeah, I already heard some cars doing burnouts and stuff like that. Obviously, you know what I'm saying, because it's raining. And while we were talking about it, they literally started doing it. So, but you know what I'm saying, get right. You know, yeah. So, yeah. Sort of road real quick. It don't look. You know what I'm saying, see, wet, perfect wet. And you can see like it's that new road, that little dirt stuff. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully the spot I go to, oh my gosh. Hopefully the spot I go to is like kinda good, like to slide. Hopefully it's good to slide. Hopefully. So yeah, this road is ass. Even doing a pull, that shit, I feel the rocks getting grabbed up while doing a pull. That shit is bad. My tires too wide for that kind of road. I ain't gonna lie. Dang, that Camaro though, that little color.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
That's good. But yeah, let me get back to that other side. Right here. Alright, but yeah, cause this road is obviously not done. Hey, watch. I'm going other road. I'm gonna do a pull on the road. You gonna see how easy I slide. How easy it is to do it. They didn't do this main road either, right?
Not yet.
Or these are the roads that they did right here. Now watch this. See how easy it is to get loose on that shit. Let me see how this looks. They did that road. I'm gonna try to do it right here. Oh no. Oh no. Hold up. Hold up. Pause. Ignore that. That was not nothing. That was not it. Hold up. Ignore that. Pause. Cut that out. Take that out here. Out your mind. Take that out your mind.
That didn't even happen.
Yeah, that didn't happen. I don't know what was going on. That was I don't know what was that. Look, we're gonna redo this again. But we're gonna do it the other way. Turn it the other way, because think about it. When you slide and you got a brand new tire on the other side, like a newer type tire on the other side, because I remember I got this tire done. You gotta go the other way. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to go the other way. And if they don't get loose, then I'm gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Because look, listen, even though it's raining, you can't always slide when it's raining, because you know what I'm saying, it kind of grip. You know what I'm saying? You know, the water kind of prevents you, the water grip you. So what I'm gonna do right here, should I try to do it right here? You think so?
Sure, it's up to you.
Somebody right there. I'm gonna wait. Let me see. Oh my gosh. See, you feel it hooking though?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's the road. Is it the road? I'm gonna walk it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna walk it in. Oh my gosh, this is not good. Oh no. Maybe I just gotta get my tires. Like I don't know. Do you think I gotta get my tires like used to it or something? If it was more room, I could just fuck around there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. Man, this is horrible. I bet whoever live over here probably, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, I was gonna say, now you gotta choose a new spot. Because you know how they are over here. Next thing you know, the heli's on top of us.
Exactly. Look, really, I ain't gonna lie.
Like,
I don't know because I gotta get my tires warmed up or what, but like I said, it's like every time I try to do something, it hook, like it snatch. I'm gonna try to go to the whole other side and try to do the whole other side, because I'm saying this side I feel like it's already hot already, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Other side. See? Right there. I just needed to kind of, and I don't want to do a long burnout because I don't want to eat my tires up.
yeah, no.
See? See? Let me see. That's how I gotta warm up. I gotta, you know what I'm saying, drive it, you know what I'm saying, let it slide a little bit when I hit it. Okay. See, it's getting loose a little bit, you see? See? It actually slid that time. It's getting loose a little bit. It's getting there just a little bit, you feel me? Oh my gosh. Alright, so look, this time I'm gonna keep it in automatic and try to slide in automatic. Make it slide. Redo my traction. This time I'm gonna hold it down. Dang, bro. Am I ass?
No.
I think I am. Ain't no way.
You know what you're doing.
Yeah, but it's been a long time. Oh, damn, I'll get back. Traction this. Oh my god, I broke my traction. Then I turn it on, I gotta hold it again. Let me look at my tires real quick.
Where'd he go? What the hell?
And I understand why I'm not sliding for real. I understand why I'm not sliding for real. This tire got hella tread. This tire got none, like barely any whatsoever. So when I slide, this side get loose, but this side hook because it got more than that side. But let's try to see if we could do this without, until I got traction completely off. Try to see. There it go. There it go. There it go. All I need to do is take that traction off all the way, you know what I'm saying? Get right. Try to do it right here.
Right here is crazy.
Right here's crazy, okay?
Yeah.
But yeah, all I gotta do is try to take that traction off, a little bit, or all the way. I'm good. I'm telling you. Yeah.
There goes that smell.
Yeah. It smells like amazing. Like amazing. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so where we gonna go now? I don't know where to go now. Right. Maybe like right here. You think right here? Oh, this is big enough. This is wide. Kinda.
Kinda.
Oh no, it's right there. Keep leaving that house. I ain't gonna do it in front of your house like that.
Like I said, your car is kind of known in this area already.
Yeah, I know. Look, they saw I called the police like the blue Chrysler.
It's so easy to find.
All the police officers going, oh yeah, I put them over the other day. Oh yeah, we seen them drive up with y'all the other day. It's cooked. B-roll kind of, right?
Sorta, yeah. You good?
Yeah. Gotta shut my car off, turn it back on real quick.
Chrysler things. SRT.
See, now it's on my gear now. So now I gotta hold it down. Look, if y'all want to turn traction completely off, y'all got a Mopar, y'all don't know how to do it. You press it, it's gonna patrol like this, but you gotta hold it down so all the traction can come off, like all completely. Oh, do you need the pages? Oh, that's the. I know who it is. But yeah, though, you gotta hold it down so all the traction come off. Because if you don't hold it down so all the traction come off, you're gonna end up like me in the beginning of the video looking crazy. I'm about to try to do it one more time. And I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy, like I said, because one of my tires are already down. So I just want to, you know what I'm saying, be able to get like a little bit, you know what I'm saying, a little bit up, you know what I'm saying, slide action, you know what I'm saying. All right, we about to get loose one more time for the one time. Hold up. There's a car coming, so let me let the car go through. We about to get loose one more time, but let me get this car, let this car go through real quick. And go. That person walking. I got the road. That's 20 points right there. Wipe them tires up a little bit in that puddle. Yes, yes, yes. And he does by not getting in the way when I get crazy.
You're doing it right here.
No, not right in the
Oh,
circle.
I was about to say.
Oh, somebody in that circle though. Oh, how do you went in there in their car? Should I still do it?
Shoot.
Or do you think that's risky? But it's a good circle though. Ah, that's a good circle. Ah.
Dang.
Oh no.
Oh, not the sirens.
See, now when I take off, I feel like I'm in a high gear. I got scared for a minute.
And sirens.
See, if you get a Mopar, this is stuff that you're gonna have to deal with sometimes, depending on what kind of Mopar you got. No cap. First gear, perfectly fine. Okay, back. Now I'm gonna hurry. I'm gonna do this. You get crazy, get out of here. Make sure no helicopter stuff in the air because they like doing helicopter shit. I was actually doing good this time.
Yeah.
We out of here now. Look, I ain't gonna lie, those people on their porch. People like I saw somebody through their window, like they was just chilling in their house through their window. I ain't gonna lie, it's time to get out of here now.
Yeah,
Okay.
we just made the whole area hot.
Yeah. Most likely
Especially on a quiet day.
Yeah, they gonna most likely call the police after that, but I'm gonna just be at the house and be like, what do you mean? I didn't do nothing. Like what? You can't prove I drove the car.
Until they feel them tires.
So that's gonna be the end for right now. Probably add some more into the video, but if not, then y'all like and subscribe and follow me, no cap, and let me know what y'all want to see, like video wise. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, something chill, something slight. It was raining outside, it slowed down while we were driving, but I'm saying something chill, something slight. So yeah, just let me know what it is. No yap.
And the pages?
Oh yeah, if y'all need SRT pages, let me know. You know what I'm saying? No matter where you at, you could be in Florida, Jacksonville, Mexico, Canada, anywhere. If you got a Mopar, you need some pages, let me know. You know what I'm saying? I got you. I'll hook y'all up. You know what I'm saying? So hit the subscribe button, comment below. You know what I'm saying? And hit me up. You know what I'm saying? For the pages.
Well, YouTube it.